today I'm reviewing the No7 Laboratories Resurfacing Peel with 15% glycolic acid. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so I always love when a new No7 product comes out. They're a pretty huge brand. They're always at Ulta and Walgreens and Target, huge displays. So when I saw this, I picked it up. Although I will say, I thought it was a glycolic acid serum. I did not realize it was a peel when I purchased it. However, thankfully, before I left it on overnight, I quickly realized it was a peel. So, okay. I've got a lot of thoughts on this one, so let me start out. So they say, No7 Laboratories Resurfacing Peel reveals more luminous skin that feels firmer and dramatically smoother, powered by 15% pure glycolic acid. This clinically proven resurfacing peel reveals more luminous skin, feels firmer and smoother, dermatologist approved, gentle yet effective 5-minute wash-off treatment, peels away dead skin cells, impurities, pollutants for radiant, youthful skin. And I will do a pH test of this one, since glycolic acid is quite pH dependent on how strong it is. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging, and they did the standard dropper bottle packaging. I will say the serum peel is a little thick, so the dropper bottle does not exactly dispense very easily. But let me just do the pH test quick, since I've got it out. There we go. Okay. So it is kind of a thicker serum texture. So I really have no issues, although it's clear bottle, so I do recommend keeping it in the cabinet when you're not using it. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, unfortunately, denatured alcohol in this one is the third ingredient, and you can smell it the second you open that bottle. It smells like a cocktail almost. But don't drink it, because it's not good for you. I can't imagine what would happen if you drink something with glycolic acid. Anyway, so it's not ideal. Thankfully, it is a rinse-off treatment. But alcohol can dry your skin out, especially if you have sensitive skin. So, not a crazy fan of the amount they put in here. It's strong. In terms of fragrance, it has no fragrance ingredients. And other than the smell of just pure alcohol, it has no other scent. So, that's a good thing. The manufacturing location for this one is the UK. And the pH for this one is pretty close to 4. Almost 4 on the dot. Maybe just a hair under 4. So, ease of use. So, do a patch test on this one for sure. Just because the amount of alcohol and glycolic acid, the amount of alcohol makes it more likely that you could have an issue with the glycolic acid. So, they recommend using it a maximum of 3 times a week. Personally, I think that's a bit much. Maybe once or twice a week is ideal. Then you apply it to clean skin, leave it on for 5 minutes, or if your face tingles or anything like that, rinse it off a little early. Personally, I was never able to leave this on for 5 minutes straight. Usually I was able to leave it on for 3 or 4 minutes, and then I had to rinse it off because my face would start to kind of tingle and burn a bit. Tingling generally is a sign your skin is being irritated, so keep that in mind. I know a lot of things say it's tingling, but that's okay. But generally, tingling isn't a good thing. Skincare shouldn't burn or tingle. So anyway, so leave it on, then rinse it off, and then go right to your serum. It's ideal to use this in the evening so you can apply some nice hydrating products afterwards. So it's a rinse-off treatment. And typically, it's strong, but if you've been able to use that peel from The Ordinary, that's the red peel, you should be able to use this one. The alcohol in there is kind of the spurious ingredient. We don't know, really. Some people might be irritated by it. Some people might not. It just depends on how sensitive your skin is. So definitely do a patch test. Otherwise, it's very easy to use. Personally, glycolic acid, from everything I know, it's going to be more beneficial in a leave-on product that you apply, go to bed, and then rinse it off in the morning. You get the most benefits from it that way. Your skin doesn't absorb much in 3 to 5 minutes. So the really exciting things from glycolic acid, you're probably not going to get as much effects. And glycolic acid, the ideal pH of it is 3.5 or a little bit under. This one's a little bit higher than that, but not too much. So you'll still get most of the effects of the glycolic acid. If this were a little bit lower, probably would have been ideal, but what am I going to do? Nothing. So, okay, beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got glycolic acid. It's alpha hydroxy acid, probably the most well-known and well-used. It's got the smallest molecular weight, which allows it to penetrate skin better and work easier. It's the most researched of all the alpha hydroxy acids and has the most longest list of benefits. It lifts off dead skin cells to reveal newer, fresher skin. It can also help skin's collagen production, which can help firm up your skin a bit. It can also fade dark spots caused by sun damage or pie. But to get most of those effects, it really needs to be a leave-on product, and most of those effects you're not going to get, other than just some instant removal of dead surface skin cells. That's about it. The rest of those benefits really need to be in a leave-on product. So, okay. So, then we've got Glucolactone, which is a polyhydroxy acid. That's down towards the very end of the ingredient list. Polyhydroxy acids are kind of being known as a more gentle version of alpha hydroxy acids. They also can have some anti-aging benefits, decreased wrinkles, and it can also help moisturize skin and help repair the skin barrier. Although, again, also needs to be in a leave-on product. So, and other than those two ingredients, that's about it. It's a very short ingredient list, which can be good for some people. But I would have liked to see some maybe soothing ingredients or hydrating ingredients or brightening ingredients, but it's really a basic ingredient list. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, the No. 7 brand is cruelty-free. So, other relative brands to this one are not, but this one is. In terms of performance, so it does exfoliate skin instantly. You rinse it off and your skin does look and feel a lot more smooth, but all the other good benefits that you normally get from glycolic acid, you're not going to get with this. Although it does instantly kind of smoothen your skin a bit. I will say my skin did feel dry most of the time immediately after using this, but when I followed with the moisturizer, that kind of went away. So, then we get to the price, and this is the full size, which is 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and retails for $39. For the 9 ingredients in this, I find it to be very pricey. It's $1.30 a milliliter. So, yeah, so you can get the peel from The Ordinary for like, I don't know, 1/5 of the price. So that's something to think about. So this one is pricey for 9 ingredients. Then we get to the it factor, and too much alcohol, too few soothing ingredients. It's a basic rinse-off peel. I didn't love it. I don't even know if I'll finish it, to be honest. So, personally, I think you're just better off using a leave-on glycolic serum. But for an occasional peel, it's nice, but that's about it. So, don't expect any miracles from this. So, overall, out of a 10 being a perfect score, this got a 5, which is like an F. So, I didn't love it, but some people, I think No. 7 sent out a lot of free products to people because all the reviews are glowing and they all say, receive free sample. Okay, well, I don't know. I guess if I paid nothing for this, I wouldn't expect much and I'd probably be happy. So, there you go. Anyway, my thoughts. I'm interested in from you guys if you've had a chance to try this out yet and what your thoughts are, so definitely leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.